Hi. Hello. So my husband is going to have lunch with his friends, so I will be eating by myself for lunch. So I think I'll eat whatever I want. So I will get some frozen. Where is my frozen salmon? Okay, so this is the salmon. So this is a skin with a skin on fillets. So I will pick out the one that's good enough size. So this is what I will eat. It's probably 4 ounces. And some frozen corn. Yeah, I'll just thaw this thing in cold water since it's still early. It's only 10:30. So let's go inside. So I'm done with lunch. It was good, really good. And I'm still by myself. I'm waiting for my husband. He will call me when he's on his way on his way home. Probably just to tell me what he had for lunch, and stuff like that. But the little hound is sleeping, recharging her energy. And then later she will have full energy to roam and run around here the house. My husband called. He said he's on his way home, and he told me, think about what you want to eat for dinner so we can go out and have dinner somewhere. But there's not much here where we're at. There's one Mexican place and one Chinese place other than fast food. We just had Chinese last week. So maybe I'll just have Chinese again tonight if he's okay with it. Then I don't have to think about what we will have for dinner. He said he's almost home, so he'll be here anytime. Hello, good morning. It is 3:57 in the morning. So I have to wake up early because my husband and his son, they are going out today in the mountain to check the trail cameras again after 2 weeks. When they checked it the last time, they left it again, so they have to check it back again. So we're gonna make some eggs for the burrito. You know, the breakfast sausage and the hash brown that I made last night. So we're gonna do the eggs today, and then we'll wrap it with some cheese. That's a lot of pee.
She was holding that one.
That is a lot for her. Yeah. I can't see it.
I know there's toes.
To the dishwasher. Looks like it's a lot, but no, I'll try. We'll see. It is almost 6 in the morning, so we were up since 4 a.m. and finally the little runt fall asleep. Oops, because she's been up early too. There she is. I couldn't leave her here, and I'm planning on walking on the treadmill, but I couldn't leave her here. So that gives me a reason, an excuse not to walk on the treadmill today. Oops. But I might ride the bike. But I don't always stay on the bike for so long because I couldn't do it. The longest time with on the bike, it's like 8 minutes. So we'll see. But we already have a long morning, and yeah, there she is. She's tucked in. So Annie is finished with her breakfast. This other one don't want to eat because she wants to eat Emmy's food. So we are here outside to let Emmy potty. Come on, Emmy. You gotta pee. You gotta pee. Come on. Come on. Come on. She's still too little. Go inside. Go there. There you go. Go. Hi. Emmy's waiting for Lily to leave her bowl because she wants to check the bowl. This little runt right there. Go finish your food. Go finish it. Emmy will eat your food. Look at it. She's ready. I'm by myself again today, so I will have another fish. This time it'll be this swai, skinless and boneless fillet. So this is what I will have, just one fillet. And we'll cook it for lunch today. So let's just keep it in the fridge to thaw. So I'm dog sitting this little runt, like right here, that one. I'm dog sitting this cutie. Hi. So my dog is so jealous right now. She's so jealous. Look at her. Oh, she's so stubborn. Finally, she got tired of running and playing again. So we'll find out how long she will sleep and how long I can relax. Hi, get a dog, they say. It'll be fun, they say. She saw a black cat across the street at our neighbor's house, and she's freaking out. She wants to go out. I just vacuumed the carpet yesterday, but Lily sheds a lot of hair. So I have to do it again. Lily, no. It's gone. You won't be able to get it. And then this one, playing with the cat toy. Nope. She's still whining. It's gone. It's gone. Oh yeah, it's gone. Where is it? See? It's gone. I know. Watch out for Emmy. You may step on her. She's being nosy too. Being nosy. Being nosy. She wants to play. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Lily, it's gone. Watch out for Emmy. The toy, she got the toy. She's dragging the toy. Emmy! What? What?